Check, 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 radio check. Okay, we're ready to stream. Mic is up. Got here my colleagues in the trading floor. Welcome to Alpha Team Trading Desk. So let me fire up the programs for you guys. And I will check here that we're good. Okay, testing. Sharing my screen. So let's see here. Now we're gonna do a little more. Let's see here. Yeah, we're ready here. Let's see. Firing Thinkorswim I'm using for charting purposes. Very good app. Classic. Gonna go to 15-minute time period. We're gonna see NQ futures. You know, we bottom out here. As you can see, we have some bottom, some good support here for this level. For us to continue, though, something need to happen because we can get stuck in this channel. And for us to continue, we need to break this level. You see 29,782 and then continue forward, something like that. So these are another levels we can work, or we can be stuck in that channel and doing this. And the other option is, if we break the support and retest and go further down. If you look at the daily and look at the dailies here, so these are the daily, and 3 months one daily. That's what happened in this range. So we need to break here. As you can see, look how perfect this level is. This level works perfectly, and we're above the 50 but below the 20. So we're in a crucial spot here. So we're gonna go down. Now keep in mind though, we have another level of support down. So are we gonna continue down and then bounce, or we're gonna attempt, go over and then go to the all-time high? So there are a couple possibilities. So this is evident, guys, from the VIX. If you look at the VIX here, look at the VIX. VIX is shaping a perfect pennant. That's called pennant. So you have 50% chance on each direction. So you have 50% up or 50% down. Look how perfect that is. So that's gonna tell us here what we're gonna do with this thing. So keep that in mind. We're in a crucial point here, and let's see what ES is gonna do. I can see here pennant 2. We're officially kind of an uptrend because I'm using SAR indicator, support and resistance. This is what these 3 red dots are. So until they're broken, we're still on uptrend. So I keep that in mind. That the CCI channel, which is the almost like RSI channel, and this is the TTM squeeze I'm using. Now keep in mind, guys, here, let me put a disclaimer here. This is just for educational purposes and research. Alpha Team Trading Desk is not an investment broker advisor. This is not any advices, just accept responsibility, read the disclaimer here, and take, be cautious now because we're in stuck in this range. Read about options. There is a book about this right here. Futures also, you can lose our investment. The potential of loss is huge. So just want to give you a warning. So that's why here for 26 years I've been trading. Capital preservation is number one in this channel. This is not about buying accounts and like other future dream. You get a new account, you sign up and you was like $100 or $50 or $20 and you move to the next account. No. This is my major account, and buying the account is not option. So that's why, uh, take responsibility. You know, this is not a financial advice. Results are non-typical. All right, so we move on. So now we know this. I recommend start with paper trading. You can do a paper trading, and that's what will happen. All right, so now let's see what happens here. Empowering the platform. So I'm gonna hold for a second to power the trading platform here. So we're getting ready. We'll put it back to 15 minutes time period. Oh, look at that. So you see how that level holds steady here. You try to ping it here. So we gotta be ready here for rejection and going down or breakout. And on the retest, we're gonna take position and go forward. This is something we refer as a orb trading. Opening range breakout. There are different strategies there. We're gonna talk about it, and we're getting ready. Be right back. Hold on one second. Okay, we can see here that the S&P and Q are rejecting a bit, rejecting that level. We have about 3 minutes and counting to opening bell in 3 minutes. Now, before we get started, here I have a QR code for you. Just scan from your screen, and this will lead you to the sign up. We have awards which are sent in form of text messages to your Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel. Also, I'm looking for traders. They can be beginners, mid-level, or advanced traders. It won't matter. Training will be provided to trade for the company or a private equity company. I'm trading my own money, so you can get your accounts funded and trade for the company. So check us out here. Shoot us a text or a comment on the YouTube, or you can shoot it to a protrader1@hotmail.com. That you can get in touch with us here on the trading desk. We're a brick and mortar company. We're not YouTube influencers and any of these. We're trading a real capital with real money. So. Okay, we're back on the trading floor here. So we have a couple of events, interesting events. This is an open house, absolutely free of charge. You can come and join us anytime. Let me see here. This is my screen. Set up the platform, and you can go to the YouTube, the chat. Okay, opening bank. Ready to trade. Trade. There you go. Send it. Let's see. Chat is working. There you go. We're live now. Okay, let's see here now. Live trading. Okay, we're in. Okay, let's see now. Here we're in good shape here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see now. We're looking here. Let's see what happens. Buyers are stepping in for the moment. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Let's see. Very interesting here. Is it gonna be rallying here, or what's gonna happen? Let's see. Give it a couple of times. Let's everything settle. Usually you can use a 5-minute scalper. So you set the chart on the 5-minute, and it's called 5-minute breakout or orb. So when the strategy is whatever this candle breaks out on the upper side or lower side, you take the position. Okay, so this is your opening range. Okay, for you scalpers and quick trade. So whatever this trade breaks up here, which I usually don't trade the breakouts. I usually trade the mean reversal. So I'm waiting for this to go down a little bit, and then the buyer stepping in, and then I'll buy. So in other words, I'll be buying here on the bottom and selling the top here if it reverses. So because we're in this support and resistance, so that's the channel. So some of the opening breakout range is right here. If this breaks out now and the next candle start printing above this line here, so this will be a buy signal for those of you who like that strategy, the orb, which you can see it. It's all over the YouTube, orb trading. That's what orb trading means. So we have 2 more minutes on the first candle. So to develop, and let's see if that's gonna stay. We're breaking out from the overnight ranges. Okay, we're breaking out. Let's see if that's gonna hold or it's gonna reverse. Okay, as you notice here, we're in this level. Okay, so level I put on the chart here, you see it right here. Okay, you see that? That's perfect. Look at that. Down to the penny. Down to the penny, guys. That's what we do here on Alpha Team Trading Days. We don't guess. We trade responsibly here. So let's see. We're looking here what was gonna happen. Microsoft, this should be noticeable. Microsoft has bounced from support, as you can see here. Microsoft, that's worth checking in also for swing trades and position trades. Microsoft. Let me see here. Yes. Okay, let's see NQ here. My left hand side here, you can see the futures contracts. See here. Setting up the platform here. Okay, that's sharing the screen. Good. Mic is up running. Okay, we're on here. Okay, we're gonna be holding here to see what direction we're gonna take. Okay, as you can see here, I said already that's why we don't do the opening range breakout, because you see what happened. And if you have bought here, you already will be working on significant loss here. So I've been looking buy signal to come around here on this area. If it bounces and then reverses back to go up, something like that. So this is will be the buy zone here for me, and that's why I warn about that. So let's give it a more time. We're 17, like 8 minutes already into the show. Get a little more time to settle and see what's gonna take direction. You see, this is acting as a resistance, so the price got rejected from this level. And let's see where we're gonna find support here. That was overnight session here with the gray area. And let's see what NQ is up to. NQ and then ES. Yes, the same thing as you can see here. Yes, exactly the area which was pointed. We had the rejection. See the spine. Working at the spine, the same thing. Yeah, let's settle. I have a XRP, which $1 was my buy level. Look at this, $01. Isn't it amazing? If those of you following the stream, you can see here, I would say that's the buy zone here, $1, and I put the line on it. So the idea is to get about 1,000 XRP coins at 1,000. So they're $1. So if you put like 1,000, this is not a financial advice and not a solicitation. This is what I've been doing. I'm sharing with you my personal plan. and for different people, that's different plans. Check your risk and check with your tax and financial advisors that fits your risk profile. Everybody have different risk profiles here. Let's see quickly look at the oil futures here, CL. Also, they're stuck on this called chicken scratch. Yeah, so we're looking here. Another look, you should look at the same disk, and the ETF of this is SNXX. SNXX. Okay, you can see here also we're in a good area, maybe for a little bit more. Here will be a good buy zone, just around here somewhere. Good buy zone. I'm watching that. That's the next. Google. One of my guys is a Google alphabet. Yeah, it's a bet. Yeah, see, get a little bit green here, but it's in generally this like a downtrend. I have option here, and I sold it for profit, as you can see here. Look, nice run we have, and I'm out of that. Mostly, I'm in cash now, so because I'm expecting a market correction, we can maybe correct up to this level here. Usually summer is like a choppy and then may get down, and then September, October we have a sell off, and then rally up to New Year's, something like that. So that's the plan. So that's why I'm not in rush to do anything. Sandisk is red. Uh, GC gold. Gold you see has been on a downtrend. It's slowly selling off. Let's see SPX. SPX a little bit higher today. We'll see. VIX. Okay, we're working now for new setups here. All right, here we've been trying to hold on to these levels. Let's see if we're gonna have break and then hold, testing this level, and then we're trying to rally. Let's see if that's the case here or that's gonna get rejected and then bounce there. So let's give it some more time here. I'm watching it carefully. See what happens. Okay, we're having a rejection here, so I took very quick scalp here. I on the MES, the contract is MESU6. That's the September contract. I took very quick scalping like here, in and out. Um, there was a good rejection point here as per our plan. I could be only short here and you see paid off. So we'll continue monitoring here what's going to happen. Okay, check our QR code here. You can scan it from your iPhone or computer and just look for the channel. Okay, check it out. QR code. Join the channel. Live trading. Looking for traders, beginners, intermediate, or advanced. Join here Alpha Team Trading Desk. Real company for real traders.